Hey guys, welcome to my channel, welcome to my page, welcome to my kitchen. So today we are going to make something new. We are going to try a new recipe today in my kitchen. So we'll be making yam porridge with vegetable and chicken breast for protein with hot dog in a coconut milk. So I tried this recipe for the very first time last time, and it comes out very delicious and very yummy. I even gave a friend of mine, and the person said I should repeat it one more time. So today I'm gonna try this recipe again. So yes, stay tuned and follow me as I make this delicious yam porridge vegetable in coconut milk. So guys, I'm going to dice this chicken breast. I'm going to dice them into little pieces. You can use any protein of your choice. You can use beef. So I'm using chicken breast and the hot dog. Yeah, cooking is an art. So as long as it comes out good, tastes nice, it doesn't matter. So you can cook your own anyhow you want it. So sometimes I'll just stay and I create any recipe in my head, and anytime I practice, it comes so nice. Yes. So after cutting this chicken breast, I'll be slicing the hot dog as well while my yam is boiling. I'll be cooking the yam for 20 minutes because I don't want it to get soft too much. I'm gonna pre-cook the yam. So this is the hot dog. I will slice them into little pieces. Yeah. I hope it's not much. Anyway, the yam is big, so this one will serve for almost 5 people. Put them in the plates and step them aside. So for today I'll be using, this is the coconut milk I'll be using, and also coconut oil. This is coconut oil because I want to get that coconut aroma since we are preparing porridge coconut milk with vegetables. As for the vegetable I'm using, I'll be using cabbage and carrot as well. So while I clean up here, I'll go grab my cabbage and my carrots and also dice them into pieces. can also use potato, Irish potato, in case you don't have yam. You can substitute Irish potato with yam. For some of you that are not from Nigeria, yam is our local food. You can replace it with Irish potato. So this is how I cut the carrot. Now I'm going to slice the cabbage. Already wash and keep in the fridge. For those of you that like judging, you can use broccoli, you can use cauliflower. You don't want to use cabbage. So for me, I use cabbage. So I've done cutting the cabbage, carrots, chicken breast, and the hot dog. So the next thing I'm gonna do now is to saute the chicken breast and the hot dog before I add cabbage and the other ingredients. So guys, I'll be right back. I love spice so much, so I'm adding nutmeg, ginger, and the curry powder. I'll be adding chicken stock and a little bit of salt. So at this point, I'm adding hot dog. Over and allow it to cook for a few minutes. I'll be adding chili. I love chili so much. Very cooked. I've already parboiled the yam with onion, a bit of salt, and the little chicken stock. So I just make it half done because I don't want the oil to be more soft. So I drain the water and step it aside while I fry the the chicken breast, hot dog, and vegetables. Guys, you can also use this for sauce to eat rice. It's not only yam. You can also use this recipe, this method to eat spaghetti rice. So I'm adding coconut milk. Okay, I'll be adding this yam stock. So I'm going to cover the pot now to cook the yam properly and to allow it to form porridge. If you want the porridge to be thicker, then you can keep stirring it. You keep stirring it. I think I'm gonna leave it for a while. Then it's almost done.